Hi, this is Mr. Reisky, and our first video will be about installing the software we need to program in Java on our computers. It's already installed in the classroom on all the computers, of course, and this is to help you install it at home. If you go into lesson 1 of our textbook, it mentions the BlueJ environment. BlueJ is a very popular programming IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated because it does several things in one environment. It lets you compile and build and run your programs. Compile is kind of like spell checking in Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Word. When you hit spell check, it tells you what's spelled wrong, perhaps what mistakes you have with grammar. And compiling is a lot like that. Then you build it means you create a program that you can run, and then you run it, of course, too within the environment. That's why it's called integrated. So it says to check out Appendix N for BlueJ help. We'll go look at it briefly, but I'll show you all this stuff on the web. Let's see, Appendix N. After all the chapters, after those things called nuggets there, Appendix N. There it is, and it shows you where to go to download it and shows you how to start to use it. But I'll help you with this both in class and in our videos in the hours to come. The link to BlueJ is on my Fusion page on the high school website, although it's a very simple link. It's just bluej.org. Let's see, there it is right there, BlueJ software download. If you click that, it takes you to bluej.org. If you have a Windows machine, you'll want to install this recommended installer, which is BlueJ with Java 8 JDK. This is 2 separate files that are combined together into one, and it just makes it easy for us. Before they combined them, in the older days, we had to first download the JDK from Oracle, the company that produces Java, and then after that's all installed, download BlueJ from this website here. But now it's all combined in one file. That's for Windows. Here it is for Mac operating systems, even for Linux, and even for Raspberry Pi. I've installed BlueJ on a Raspberry Pi just to play around with it once, and it works fine. So pick your correct one. If you have the choice, use a combined or recommended installer, and if you click on this, it'll download. I downloaded it just now to my desktop. Here it is. I click on Run, and then I go Next. Okay, Next. Install just for me or all users of the machine. I know there's a few siblings in the class. They may want it too. I'll do it for all users of the machine, and then just leave these things all checked. That's fine. Let it go to the directory it chooses by default. That's fine. You can change it if you want to, but you don't need to. And hit Next, and then Install. It's installing, hopefully quickly here. There it goes. You want to let the BlueJ install on your machine? Yes. And now it's finished, and it put an icon up there. That was one of those check boxes I left checked to put a BlueJ icon on the desktop. There's probably one somewhere over here. Right there it is in my start menu, and then I'll just click on it to make sure it works, and there it is. In the next video, we'll show how to use it a little more.